So he has the very, very strong wings and the fact that he has light. They always know what they know. He's something that he likes. He'll just know. It's so cute.
It's okay, baby boy.
Oh, I don't do that.
I know.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, I know. He's like panting, that's when.
Oh,
are you panting? Are you not
and nervousness.
Oh my gosh. You have to record it and show us.
Okay,
yeah, I will.
He will. When the lights are out, he did that like from the beginning, just the back room. We shut the doors and we hear his nighttime talking to me.
Wow.
And she had to admit it to him because the voice is very sweet. And it's like it calms him, gentles him when he's singing. And it's just so dear. And he'll turn upside down and blush and watch what I'm cutting. Yep, it did.
It took all this time. There was, you know, he tried warming up, but then all of a sudden he would not be game. It wasn't time. It wasn't the person. And the guy, and then that's without a cage. And you know, she didn't want it for the right reason. Right.
Just come in and picked him up. There's been rhyme anyway. I don't rhyme. That's dumb, but I do need songs. And the rhymes come, I always believe it. And I sing it to the bird, and it's like, okay. Who's amusing? The bird repeats it. I bought him a toy yesterday that she wanted to go with him just because. So we have to give you those kids. I know. Boys feed their mommies. I know. Mommy fell. I know. Big Sammy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Her husband and neighbor.
So happy.
That was the attempt of a kiss. Was it Sammy?
I know better than to kiss him right this time, though.
Yeah.
Sometimes I love you, big boy. I love you. You're going to be so happy. You've got my cell phone number.
You know where to find.
You do. Yeah. Oh, I love you so much. He's going to be good. He's going to be good. The official turnover.
Aww.
It's your new mommy. Okay, stay.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was sweet.
Oh. Well, you will see him.
I know.
Yeah.
You.
Vinegar water?
Huh?
Vinegar water?
I don't know.
Okay.
And then here's this one too. So we're going to sign them both. Yeah. One we keep.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Hi.
Bye, tall boy. Say goodbye to Big Sam. Who's that? Who's that?
Go, bud. It's all official.
It's all official.
It's all done.
It's all done. She's Auntie Jennifer.
Auntie.
It's fine, you were witness to this.
See,
watching you. Little pedicure.
Yeah.
You get the pedicure.
All right. We'll be right back. That's a little.
Yeah, you're
This is
pretty
a
cool.
toy that Dana brought in the second time she visited. This is a toy that he just really loves. And this is a toy that Tara bought him yesterday that she wanted to go with him to his new home. So you may not even have room in the cage for these yet. Oh, they have to go with her.
Happy birthday.
Anything's possible. There we go. There we go.
Take out all the roses and plant just all different kinds.
Is that your bird or is it a Lily?
Miss Bogey. Lives here. She's a resident.
Oh my! I think it's like really okay. I think I'll be beautiful.
Are you gonna?
That is dumb.
He's gonna go in.
Yeah.
Well, well, what I brought too was a perch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Actually, if you could take him out for just 2 seconds, I can put his seat down. And then you can face us. Boy, it's so cute. Should I do this over here? Now we can look at us. Hey, here we go. Yay, perfect,
Life's all